Hi friends, welcome to Amina Creations. Today I am going to share 6 tricolor accessories for Republic Day celebration. First I am making tricolor bangles. For this I have taken orange, white and green color woolen thread. You can also use embroidery thread here. Next take 2 bangles, glue them together and allow them to dry. Next take orange color wool and wrap around the bangle as shown. And keep wrapping the woolen thread around the bangle. Apply glue and gently press the thread. And cut off the extra bits. And our saffron colored bangle is now ready. In the same way we have to make white and green colored ones as well. You can see how beautiful these are looking. Here I have shared another idea where I have used orange, white and green color woolen thread in the same bangle. You can use whichever idea you like. Next I have taken orange, white and green color crystal beads, earring hooks, head pin and jump rings. First take a head pin, insert green, white and orange color crystal bead. Using a plier, fold on top. In the same way make 2 more pieces. Next using a jump ring, insert the 3 pieces along with the earring hook. And close the jump ring. And our earring is now ready. In the same way make another piece. And our beautiful earrings are now ready. You can see how easy and beautiful it is to make this. Next I am making a hairband using orange, white and green color woolen thread. Cut out the 3 pieces and keep it ready. Next take a black color hairband and B7000 glue. Wrap the woolen thread along the band as shown. We are using the same way that we have used while making the bangles earlier. Apply glue and cut off the extra thread. In the same way, wrap white and green color woolen thread as well. And our tricolor hairband is ready. To decorate this I am using half beads. Glue them on top of the hairband. And finally our tricolor hairband is now ready. The fourth DIY is the most easiest and simplest DIY. For this just take a head pin, insert orange, white and green color beads, then using a plier, fold on top, add a earring hook and close it. In the same way make another piece and the most easiest earrings for Republic Day are now ready. Coming to the fifth DIY, I am making a tricolor hair clip. For this I have taken foam sheet. Glue the foam sheet to a tic tac clip. Then cut out 3 strips of orange, white and green color and glue them as shown. Now make a small chakra and glue this as well. And a flag hair clip is also ready. Now coming to the last DIY, I am making a butterfly hair clip. First take a color paper and draw a shape of a butterfly. Using this as a stencil, take orange, white and green color foam sheet and cut out pieces as shown. Glue the 3 pieces one on top of the other. Then take small white beads and a golden wire. Insert the bead through the wire to make the antenna, and finally decorate with blue beads in the middle. Glue this to a tic-tac clip, and our butterfly hair clip is also ready. I hope you all liked the video. Please let me know in the comments which DIY you like the most. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.